Hello and welcome to PTS Primo Charts. This video is about the PTS Primo Charts video tutorials. To access the video tutorials, click on the V on the educational icons. This will take you directly to a web page which is divided into sections. The page will open on your default browser. You can see that this page is divided in sections. Section number 2, when scrolling down, are the topics that you should be familiar with when working with PTS Primo Charts. You can read all of the topics connecting to the data feed, opening the charts and applying the indicators, all about templates, the chart tools, indicator settings, and so on. As you scroll down, you will find some complementary videos that you may find useful and may answer some of your questions, like questions on scanners, getting around PTS Primo Charts, using the PAD on PTS Primo Charts, and last, the onboarding process. On the top, if you're a new trader, you have the new traders basic training. You have level 1, level 2, and level 3, and also the platform walkthrough, which is an overview on PTS Primo Charts.